Hey, how's it going? What's up? Welcome back to my channel again. So we have a new unboxing. This follows on from a previous unboxing, and I thought I would bring you this newer device than I did before. So last week, or a couple of weeks ago now, I brought the Note 9 because it was such an absolute bargain. I wanted to review it. So I've gone now with the My Note 10. So I thought this should be a good upgrade. It came out in earlier this year, I believe January time. It had an update in April, and it's actually just had another update yesterday, which is decent. So let me show you what we've got. So if the box will open, there we go. So we'll pull out the phone, set that to one side. We have a small box, charge cable, USB-C, and then we have the power brick here, which is a 27 watt power brick, 30 watt. So yeah, that's pretty good. You're going to get some nice fast charging speeds out of that. You've got the small box here, got the SIM ejector, few little notes, user guide, warranty card, some other little information about security, and then in here a little gel case, which I like a free case, prefer them when they're clear, but you know, case is a case. I'm happy, I'll use it. Sweet. So let's pop all that over to one side and I'll move to the phone. So some of the phone specs, we have the 108 megapixel high resolution camera with a 1 by 1.33 sensor, penta camera, all scenario imaging system, 10 times hybrid zoom with OIS, so that means you're going to get the stabilization, which is wicked. You've got a full 6.47 3D curved AMOLED display, fingerprint sensor under the screen, 5 to 60 milliamp hour battery, and then the 30 watt fast charge, as I mentioned. So if I show you what we've got going on here, we'll remove that as well. Oh. You've got the 5 cameras on the back, 108 megapixel, damn. As I said before, this phone has been out a while now. Sometimes there's a lot of reviews on this phone, and a lot of people have put a lot of time and effort into reviewing it. So, you know, I will use this phone for a few days, and we'll see how it compares to the other phones I've been reviewing, and I hope that it's going to live up to expectations. Xiaomi are pumping out lots and lots of phones. Xiaomi there. This is the Mi line as opposed to the full Xiaomi line, which they do also. I think Xiaomi and Mi is dependent on the region that they're selling the phone in. So as I was saying, a lot of people have put a lot of time and effort into this, so I will do what I can with regards to another video. So you've got the camera hump on the back there. As you can see, it's quite a hump, which you would expect for such a beast of a camera. I mean, that big lens there, they're absolutely huge, 108 megapixel. Let's turn it on. You've got 3.5mm headphone jack on the bottom next to your charge port. You've got the downward facing speaker. That's one of the things which I thought would be a little bit better if you had the stereo speaker, dual speaker, but we don't, unfortunately. You've got a little IR blaster up the top there, a little microphone in the bottom. Then on the side, you've got the volume up and down rocker and the power button. So there we are, MIUI. Let's unlock it and see what we've got going on. So let's show you what the camera's doing. So we will start as usual with the selfie. That looks pretty good. I sustained a small injury to my eye, so excuse the injury. I dropped a box on my face. Very, very, very good. Yeah, that's pretty good. Got a nice front-facing camera. I'll be pretty chuffed to be using that. There we have it. Let's have a look at the main camera. Let's have a look at what the bear's saying. So you've got photo, which is the standard photo, and then if you go into more, you get the 108 megapixel option. So let's click on 108 megapixel. So it tells you at the top of the screen 108 megapixel HD is on. So I've taken the 108 megapixel photo, and I've also taken a normal one. Let's see. So there's the normal one, zoomed in as far as I can zoom in. And then let's zoom in onto the 108 megapixel. So I mean, to my eyes on there, it doesn't look much different. I will show you the difference on the phone. I'll take a couple of different pictures, and then you can see for yourselves what you think. So we've got some different options. You can put up the grid lines. You've got portrait mode, pro. In the pro mode, you can set up lots of things: your white balances, your f-stop, your S's, your ISOs, everything like that. You can choose different blurs by the looks of things. You can choose frames, average, spot metering. Video, I'm sure you'll have a good few options. You've got wide angle video, which is always cool. That's always a nice option, and obviously the wide angle photo as well. So if I take the photo of the bear, and then the wide angle photo of the bear, there's a normal, and there's a wide angle. So it's quite a big difference, big angle, and I think that's taken some nice photos, to be honest. I'm quite pleased with that. So as I said yesterday, and we had the update of the MIUI 12, which is pretty cool. You've got there's one of the options that they call floating windows. So that means you can have sort of a split screen window, like you would on a laptop, and you can move it around the screen so you can put it wherever you want, not just top or bottom, which is some of the cases. It's Android 10, obviously Android 11's coming out. I wouldn't expect this phone to get Android 11, purely because it's older now, and also it's not one of the highest spec level phones that are doing at the moment, Xiaomi are doing. You've got the under fingerprint sensor, pretty quick, and then the facial recognition. Now this is one of the things that bugs me with phone manufacturers. So I really like it when you unlock, so you pick up your phone, it wakes, it unlocks the screen, and it loads the screen. Now on this you have to swipe it. Now preferably, personally for me, I would prefer it if you didn't have to drag the screen, swipe the screen. It would be much better if you could just swipe it like that. This is the black version. What are they calling it? Midnight black. So yeah, it's just black. It's a little bit more grey, if I'm honest. It's not a super jet black. It's a midnight black. So I suppose it's a bit more of definitely more of a grey than a deep black, as you can see. And yeah, so I will do you another video. I will show you some of the pictures I've just taken, the selfie, the bear. I'll make a little video, and hopefully you can see what this phone's like. And yeah, so thanks for watching. Please do subscribe to my channel. It does mean a lot. If you're interested in that phone, this phone here, the Xiaomi Note 10 Pro, check out the link below also so you can see it for yourself, have a little read up on about it. And thank you very much for watching. Cheers, bye bye.